What are the DNA privacy risks for Black ancestry? Imagine uncovering stories from your past that connect you to your roots, but at the same time, facing hidden risks that could affect your family's future. That's what exploring your DNA can bring. Many Black families turn to DNA testing to learn about their heritage and strengthen cultural ties. But there are important privacy concerns to consider along the way. When you take a DNA test, your genetic information is collected and stored by companies that analyze your DNA to tell you about your ancestry and health traits. These companies often share data with third parties like researchers or law enforcement without always asking for full permission. That can be a problem because your genetic data might be used in ways you don't expect. For example, law enforcement agencies have used DNA databases to solve crimes, sometimes without the person's consent. Black Americans tend to worry more about this because of the history of racial profiling and systemic injustice. They fear their DNA could be used against them or their loved ones in wrongful investigations or surveillance. Another concern is that insurance companies or employers might access genetic data and use it unfairly. Laws do protect against discrimination in health insurance and jobs, but they don't always cover life insurance or disability coverage. This leaves room for potential misuse of genetic information. Representation in DNA databases is also an issue. Most testing companies have more samples from people of European descent, which means African ancestry results might not be as detailed or accurate. This can make it harder for Black families to connect with specific cultural or regional roots in Africa. Some companies are working to increase diversity in their databases, but progress is slow. For parents in Black families, it's important to talk openly with children about these risks. Educate them on how to read privacy policies and think carefully before sharing their DNA. Encouraging questions about who might see their genetic data and how it will be used helps build trust and understanding. In the end, connecting to ancestry is a powerful way to embrace cultural identity, but it's equally important to be aware of the privacy risks involved. Protecting personal and family information while exploring your roots can help you enjoy the journey without unintended consequences.